Hello students, today we will see page 50. Let us see exercise F. Fill in the blanks with is, am or are to complete the story. Students, we have learnt that when we talk about present, we use the word is, am or are. So let us fill the blanks by using these words to complete the story. Number 1. Kakku the crow is thirsty. He is sitting in a garden. Who is thirsty? Kakku the crow. Kakku is the name of crow. And we are talking only one crow. So it comes in singular. So therefore, we have filled with the helping verb is. Number 2. Number 2. There are 3 pots in the garden. How many pots are there in the garden? 3 pots. So it comes in plural. So therefore we have filled with the helping verb are. Third, 2 pots are empty. How many pots are empty? 2 pots. So this also comes in plural. Therefore here we have filled with the helping verb are. Number 4, 1 pot is half filled with water. How many pot we are talking about in the sentence? Only 1 pot, means singular. So therefore we have filled with the helping verb is. Students, here it is written is. This you have to cut it, because if you fill with the helping verb is, then there will be 2 is. So therefore 1 we have to cut it. Number 5. But the water is too low. Kakku cannot reach it. Here we see in the sentence water. Water, we cannot count it. So it comes in singular. So therefore we have filled the blanks with the verb is. Number 6. Kakku looks around. There is a straw on the ground. Here in the sentence, it is pointing only one straw. So it means it comes in singular. So therefore we have filled with the helping verb is. Number 7. Kakku dips the straw in the water and sips the cool water. What a clever crow I am, he says. Who says? Who is clever in this sentence? Crow. So crow is saying, I am clever. So we have learnt always we use the helping verb am with the subject I. So we have filled here the blanks with the helping verb am. So students, I think you understood this exercise, how to fill the blanks. Next we will see G. Fill in was or were. Students, here also we are talking about was or were, and we have learnt that when we talk about something that happened in the past, we use the word was and were. So let us fill the blanks by using these words. and here we will be talking about the past. So according to this, we have to choose correct verb. Number 1, I was at the beach for a picnic yesterday. Here, subject I. It is first person singular. So therefore, the helping verb should be in past tense, was. Number 2, it was a bright and sunny day. Here, the subject it. It comes third person singular. So therefore, we have filled the blanks with the helping verb was. Number 3, some people were swimming in the sea. Here we see the subject some people. Some people, we are talking about the plural. Means there were more than 2 people. So therefore, we have filled here the blanks with the helping verb were. Number 4, children were collecting shells. Children. Children always come in plural. So therefore, we have filled the blanks with the helping verb were. Number 5, a man was selling coconuts. Here the subject is a man, only one man. So it comes in singular. Therefore, we have filled the blanks with the helping verb was. Number 6, the coconuts were full of sweet water. Here the subject coconuts means we are talking about more than 2 coconuts. Therefore, it is in plural. So, here in the blanks, we have filled with the helping verb were. So, students, I think you understood the exercises F and G, what I explained to you. I request you, please jot down in your copies and learn it. We end our class here. Thank you.